Today I'm doing my A-5, but first I'm gonna start with Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting and Cooking Spring, Summer, Hello Fall, and Winter book. And I have $12, 5, 10, 11, 12. And I'm gonna start March. And so 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 for 7, another 2, 9, 2, and 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5, 10, 11, 12. And then, oops. And then I'm going to do my minis. And then here I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And I'm going to start with mine. Which is my St. Patrick's. I'm going to put $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 2s. And then next is Happy St. Patrick's Day from Brooklyn L Saves. And I'm going to put in 4, and these are going to be 2 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 and 4. And then Happy St. Patrick's Day from Mindy's Budgeting. And these are going to be 2 each. So 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one's Budgeting with Kim. And I'm going to put in, make them $2 each and put in 4. So 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next up is Let It Be Budgets. I'm gonna go get changed. I'm gonna see if I have more ones. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm gonna make these 1 and put in 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 4. I'm gonna do 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is from Let It Be Budgets. And And then last up is from MS Mom Budgets. And these are all going to be one. And I have $3. So 1, 2, 3. And then that's all the minis. And then my A-5, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. $40. And I need my scratcher. So first up, actually I'm going to start with paperclip is. So, oops. This one's Mystery Savings from What's Poppin' Sunshine. And I'm going to roll twice. So 2. Two and 3 for $5. And then 2026 Happy New Year's from Budgeting with Kim. And I'm going to do this one. $5. So 5. And then this New Year's one from Ellie on Earth. $1. So $1. And then to the front, I want to finish this one today. This is Omar Crafts and Budgets. $1. And $3. So 1, 2, 3. And in this one, I saved 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And then next up is MS Mom Budgets. I'm so cute, even the Grinch wants to steal me. I'm going to do this one, $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then my Panda savings game. And, oops. I'm going to roll this. So 5. So 5 and then back to What's Poppin' Sunshine. 2. 1, 2. And then 2026. $2. One, two. And then to Ellie's. $1. And then let's see if I have enough to finish this one. And $6. 5 and 1. I don't know if I should try. I have 5. Hopefully there's not a 10. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to stop there. That's all the money. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you for Tiny Thursday. I hope you guys are having a great week. I'll see you in the next video.